Hello, kids! Welcome to our Fun Colors world! Today, we will learn many beautiful colors. Let's start learning. This is red. This is orange. This is green. This is blue. This is yellow. This is purple. This is black. This is white. So, this is pink. This is brown. This is sky blue. This is dark red. This is golden yellow. This is violet. This is light green. This is gray. Beige. This is beige. This is gray. This is navy blue. This is olive green. This is peach. Then, this is turquoise. This is magenta. This is maroon. This is silver. This is indigo. This is mustard. This is teal. This is aqua. This is copper. This is lime. This is cyan. This is lavender. This is charcoal. This is cream. This is forest green. This is coral. This is amber. This is taupe. This is mint. This is rust. This is aquamarine. This is ivory. But this is sage. This is lemon. This ice blue. Chess. This is chestnut. This is rose. oak. Maze this. This is bronze. This is rainbow. Great job, kids! You learned so many colors today. Like our video, subscribe for more fun learning. Bye-bye, kids!
Thanks for watching Kissin' Kids. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.